here and tell you guys some good news. So I don't know, I should have vlogged while I was on the phone earlier. I talked to the lady today about the work from home job and it went great. She asked me a whole bunch of questions and I answered the best that I could without being too nervous. I'm always nervous when I do like interviews and stuff. So basically we had to go over my computer, like just making sure that I meet the requirements and my computer was good. And then she asked me about my previous jobs and if I wanted to work part-time or full-time. She discussed what hours I'd be working and she said that training starts on Thursday and if I'd be available for that. And I told her yes. And it's at 9. I want to say, I think she said 9. I gotta check the email again. 9 Central Time, so 10 o'clock my time. Did the background check. Literally the background check only took about 2 seconds. It came back right away and it was good. So your girl got a job. I went into Office Depot and I got my headset. I just got this cheap little headset. This was $21. I read reviews and it said that it was good. So I'm gonna be the judge. I'll have to be on webcam for training and then after training is over, I won't have to be on webcam. So that's good. She said that I'll have to be on webcam so that I'll get paid. But yeah, so that's what I wanted to tell y'all. So your girl might be going back to working, you know, a regular job. Still gonna be doing everything, but it's just gonna be a little different. I'm kind of excited though because this would be some guaranteed money every week. I'll be making some guaranteed money the days that I have to work, so that'll be good. And then the days that I'm off, I'll probably still come out and do Instacart and stuff. And of course I'm still gonna vlog and make business videos. Like none of that is gonna change, just adding another source of income to the list. The only thing I'm not liking for real, because I was recording it. Shut up! I was recording a clip. Hold on. Anyways, bro, I just lost my train of thought. Like, he just interrupted me. Wait, I know what I was about to say. I forgot to ask while I was on the phone. I know this is crazy. I feel like everybody asks about when they'll get paid, but I literally forgot. I was looking it up online and it says that for them, you get paid bi-monthly. Means twice a month. That's the only thing that I don't really like. But I guess it'll be okay because when I see my check, it's going to be like pretty nice. So, yeah. But that's what I wanted to tell you guys. I will talk to y'all a little later. I just had to let y'all know that. This is the dinner for tonight. My favorite Zaxby's. I got tongue torch wings, sweet and spicy fingers, and strawberry lemonade. Y'all, it is the next day. I literally just got off the phone. It is 8:35. My job, I literally have a job, y'all. Like, this is big. This is kind of big. Like, this is kind of big. Somebody hired me. I got off the phone with one of the recruiters. So the first training is tomorrow, and it's only one training. He said that the job that I'm gonna be doing is pretty easy. So they're just basically gonna, you know, walk us through everything that we need to know and that we're gonna be doing. That is from 10 to 4 tomorrow. And then I only get paid twice a month. He said on the 5th and the 20th. I made sure I asked, which I feel like is pretty good still. You know, of course I'd rather get paid every week or every 2 weeks, but the 5th and 20th is good. So it should be a nice, like a nice little stack when I do get paid. I did decide to do full time. He just sent me an email, a welcome packet. I emailed them last night and told them to call around 10:30 because he told me to pick like a good time. So I'm like 10:30 because I don't want to call too early, but they called me early, so now I can go outside and make some money today doing Instacart, DoorDash, and Uber. I got on DoorDash right now. I only saw one good order, but I didn't take it because I was still getting dressed. So now I'm about to go outside. I also have to complete this order. I'm gonna drop this off tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get it done tonight. Let me see. I would drop it off today, but I'm waiting on my cotton candy scent to come in, so I can't like complete it. So it says the post office opens at 9:30 and it closed at 4:30. I don't think I'm gonna make it. I don't know. It might have to go out on Friday. I'm gonna film a video fulfilling this order so I can have something going up tomorrow for you guys. Make sure you check it out. It's already up. And yeah, things just might be finally turning around for me. That's just all I wanted. So I'm about to go outside and see if I can make some money. And I need to go to the store, so I need some cereal. I'm hungry. So I just finished up a quick little Costco order. This is customer A. She just got 4 things of pads. And this is customer B. So y'all, it is later in the day. I just finished, actually went up. It was 18 before, but she had added 2 more items. So I think it went up to like 20 something. That was real simple, real easy, no refunds. I just got another order. It's $21, 2 stores, Fresh Market and Target. The first customer got 6 items and the other customer got 5 items. So I'm about to go ahead. My car sounds so weird. I'm about to go ahead and knock this out real quick. Shouldn't take too long. And after this, we should be at like 60 something if we don't have to do any refund. Literally, both shops were so quick. So this one took 4 minutes. This is customer B. And this is customer A right here. This took 5 minutes. About to be on my way to drop both of these off. I am out so early right now. So it is 6:48 a.m. And I accepted an order on Uber Eats, Hardee's. I think it said like $21. It is 14 miles, but I gotta go to the store. So I was like, I'm gonna just accept it. I'm gonna be by some stores after I drop it off, and it should be open because it'll be after 7 o'clock. So yeah, I gotta go to the store and get some sprinkles so I can finish this order. This will probably be the only order that I do unless I could do something like really quick. I want to be back home by 8:30 because I have to go to training. And I'm about to be doing that all day. Once I get done with training, I'm gonna come back out. It'll be like late dinner time, so I'm gonna see if I can do some more. Alright, so we got the food, okay, for Daniel. I'm about to go to the light because I hate like trying to cross over in traffic. It's never good. So well, let's go drop this off. Hopefully there's no tip dating so we can get the whole 21. That'd be great. And then I'm gonna go to the store. I'm excited right now. Happy Thursday. All right, so we're on a break. It's been 1 hour so far. It's just a 5-minute break. I think I have like 3 minutes left. I wish I would have got some chips or something. All I got was a chocolate bar. I want something salty right now. Basically, we just watched the video and then all the trainers just introduced themselves. I'm tired, but I had to get up and stretch because my butt is hurting. I'm gonna get actual setup and stuff because I cannot sit like this. My butt is hurting so bad. Late night Uber. Just picked this up from Chili's, $11. About to go drop it off. Okay, y'all, so it is now 9:55. I look a little crazy. I did have my hat on earlier. Well, y'all saw I had my hat on earlier. Then when I came home, I didn't want to wear my hat while I was sitting at the computer. We had to have a camera on, so I took it off and just brushed my hair. So it do look a little crazy, but that's besides the point. So it is 9:56 right now. I just got back in the house. So I start working immediately tomorrow. They are in Central Time, so it's gonna be 12 p.m. Central to 6 p.m. Central. My time, 1 to 7. So It's crazy because I literally had my whole weekend planned out, bro. I'm thinking, you know, we can go through training today. I honestly thought it was gonna be more than one training, but when I had talked to the man yesterday, he said it was gonna be one. But I literally had my whole weekend planned out. I was gonna do gig work all weekend, literally stay out all day, make as much money as I can. But they put me on a schedule, and I don't want to tell them that I can't come in. Like, I feel like that's just bad. So I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna just wake up early again. I have more time to make more money, so that's what I'm gonna do. Then once I get off, I'm gonna go back out like I did today and make some more. I did 3 orders today. The first one was 21, which was the Hardee's, and then I did an $18 order. It was 16, but it went up to 18, and that was some Juan's Mexican food. It was a stack order for 2 customers, and then the last one went up to $13. So I made $52.35 today from gig work, and then we also made some money from the training, which is good. So y'all, I feel like it's about to be a lot, but I got this. I'm about to get everything back in order, everything back straight, and everything's gonna be good. I gotta think positive, but I definitely feel like it's about to be a lot. I'll probably go more into depth tomorrow after I like experience my actual first day. Like, literally, they trained us today and they putting us right out there on calls tomorrow. Nobody's about to be watching over us or mentoring us, none of that. So I'm honestly kind of nervous, but we gonna see how it goes. So yeah, this video was kind of all over the place, but I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. And I'm so sorry, this week has, like I said, has been, this video is all over the place. This week has been all over the place. I didn't even get to upload my video today, so it's going up tomorrow. I'm literally behind. I have to figure out how I'm about to do everything, since now I have a regular job. I got to figure out like how my schedule is going to be, because I don't want to start slacking. Like, I really don't. I want to keep posting 3 times a week. So we're gonna see. We got to figure that out. But yeah, I will see you all in the next video.